In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize projects in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. Let's start by getting oriented inside the project sidebar. On your ChatGPT dashboard, look to the left-hand side. That panel is your navigation hub, and it's where your projects live. Instead of letting ideas scatter across a single cluttered history, projects give you a dedicated space for related work. Take a moment to glance through your existing projects so you know what's already there and where each topic belongs. This habit alone will save you a lot of scrolling later. Next, choose the workspace you want to use. Click the specific project where you want your new conversation to reside. It might be something like a web build or a content plan, whatever label makes sense to you. Before you start typing, double check that you're actually inside the correct project. A quick confirmation here keeps everything filed in the right place and avoids cleanup later. Now, here's the key difference from standard threads. New chats inside a project are created automatically as soon as you interact. Look for the text input at the bottom of the project workspace. Type your first prompt and press enter. That initial message instantly spins up a new chat within the project, so you don't have to click a separate new chat button. You'll see the conversation appear in the project's list, neatly contained within that workspace. To make future retrieval effortless, be intentional with your first prompt. The system often uses that initial message to auto-title the chat. A clear, specific opener, like generate a Python script for web scraping, is far better than something vague. Think of it like naming a file. Include the action and the outcome so you can spot it at a glance when you come back. As you continue working, everything in that thread stays scoped to the project. This keeps context tight and prevents crosstalk with unrelated tasks. When you're ready to pick up where you left off, return to the project sidebar, open the same project, and select the relevant chat from the list. You can keep multiple focus chats within the same project for different subtasks while maintaining a single organized home. A quick security reminder before we wrap up. Avoid sharing sensitive personal or company information in your prompts. Keep examples generic and focus on the technical or creative details you actually need. When in doubt, anonymize. And that's it.